The rock that Moses struck and water came out.
In real life.
Jordan River where Jesus was baptized.
In real life.
Garden of Gethsemane where Jesus was arrested.
In real life.
The tomb of Jesus.
In real life.
Red Sea where Moses parted the sea.
In real life.
Sea of Galilee where Jesus walked on.
In real life.
Synagogue that Jesus went to.
In real life.